starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Welcome to IUI School, Mansira campus. Let's start the video with this dua. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Singular mean one thing and plural means two or more than two things. That's why we call them numbers. Today our topic is singular and plural nouns. Today we are going to learn some rules to make plurals. Here's the rule number 1, to add an s to the end and change from one to many. For example, egg and flower. Add s to them and they becomes eggs and a bouquet of flowers. Here's one another trick, means the rule number 2. If a word ends at s, h, ch, sh, x or z, then you can add es to them. For example, bus, glass, watch, bush and box. Now add es, buses, glasses, watches, bushes and boxes. If the word ch giving the sound of k, then we don't add es, we add simply s to it. Sometimes we need to double the z before we add es. For example, from quiz to quizzes. Here's the trick number or rule number 3. If a word ends in a consonant and y, change the y into I and add es. From cherry to cherries, remove y and add ies. From berry to berries. From puppy to puppies. And if here comes a vowel before y, then what will we do? We simply add s to it, from tie to toys, key to keys. Here's one another rule. If a word ends at f or fe, then we change f into v and add es. From knife to knives, leaf, leaves. If we have double f at the end of a word, so s would be fine. We don't add ves, we simply add s to it. For example, cliff, CLI So we don't change f into v, we simply add s to it. Here's one another trick. If we have a vowel and o at the end, then add s. Radio to radios, stereo to stereos. When you see a consonant and an O at the end of a word, add an ES. Potato becomes potatoes, tomato becomes tomatoes, and mango become mangoes. But here are some exceptions. For example, zero, piano, photo, and taco. We don't add ES to them, we only add S to them. Jazakumullah khairan kasira.